Sometimes we don't know where the road of life is going to lead us. For me, it led me to Launch Code, a place where purpose and passion collides, a place where you have an opportunity. Launch Code helped me launch a new career. It gave me that opportunity. So I want to give back. I want to be able to help a new generation of learners become developers by sharing all of my life lessons and all of my struggles and what it took for me to get to where I needed to be today. Launch Code helped me do that. Now let's go on this journey together. I'll see you there. Okay, we made it to chapter 12. We've covered a lot of ground. We've introduced a lot of concepts to you, and now we're getting ready to introduce another concept, and we're going to talk about objects. Now, remember I said that everything in JavaScript is an object, except for primitive data types. And the reason why I keep saying that over and over and over and over again, because I want it to stick, because you need to know the difference. But at the same time, we're getting ready to talk about objects. So why are objects so special? And why are they so different from the other objects if everything in JavaScript is an object? Well, we're going to delve into that in this particular chapter. Now, objects can be kind of complicated or confusing at first, but when you continue to practice and continue to apply the concepts and make sure you understand the rules and the principle, I can't stress that enough. It's not about memorizing the syntax, it's about understanding the rules and the principle, because once you can understand the rules and the principles and how it works, then you'll be able to apply it to many different scenarios. And so we're getting ready to hop into objects. And if you're new to this channel and you want to follow along with the curriculum is free. All you have to do is click the link in the description and you can have at it and follow along with us. So with that being said, let's get into the introduction and what we're going to expect. What to expect when we go through this chapter for objects. Okay, so now chapter 12, objects and the math object. Learning objectives. Upon completing everything in this chapter, you should be able to do the following: create and use object literals in JavaScript, use the math module for common mathematical operations. Key terminologies. Here is a list of key terms in this chapter broken down by the page the term first appears on. Make note of the term and its definition as you read along. Objects and why they matter. We're going to talk about objects, key value pairs, object literal, property, and methods. And here are the links. Now, I just want to stress to you the importance that you want to dig deep into every section. Just don't read it and then keep moving forward. Work to get an understanding of each section. This is why I make these videos. So now we've gotten through the objectives. Now let's get into the first section. See you there in a few.